Hi and welcome to shop Rjpasini.com for great deals on eBay. Today's isn't an eBay video. It's about testing out batteries. I know it sounds silly, but this is a tip to help you guys save money on batteries. I know it sounds kind of crazy, probably saying it has nothing to do with in relation to e-commerce or eBay selling. But for those who are new to my channel, I do like to do videos on do-it-yourself, how-tos, and in some cases just quick saving tips. So let's get right to the point. Let's get to this here and not waste any more of your time. I'm going to move my webcam down on my desk and show you the things that I have to accomplish that. This here is of course, it's a shower radio, and it requires 4 AAA batteries. Now, when the batteries go down or the unit doesn't play like it normally would, you would think right away, assume that all the batteries are gone, and you would just take them out and pop them out and throw them in the garbage and just put a whole new set in there, when technically you don't really need all 4 new batteries, and I'm going to talk about that. Okay, so that's coming up, so stick around. Thanks. Okay, so here's what we got. I'm going to move the webcam down. I'm going to show you just the basic little things I have to check it out, to test it out, and show you that you don't need all new batteries. And this video is about being frugal and saving batteries. Some people may find it kind of ridiculous to go through this here to actually make a video on it, but folks, in this day and age, it's all about saving the dollar bill. And if I could help you in any which way I can, I like to do that. I love doing the videos on YouTube. I love to help and inspire people with the reseller news and talk about different topics that do relate to e-commerce, and some do-it-yourself videos and how-tos. And this particular video is basically a savings tip on buying batteries. Now, batteries are expensive as far as I'm concerned. Okay, I've been in the stores. If you buy the Duracell or Everready, you could buy a small pack and you could see the prices. I know sometimes we go to Walmart. You can see the prices of the batteries. They're kind of pricey, I think so anyway. So this video is about to help you save it and save money on that. And I know it's probably a basic little minute thing, but hey, listen, every little bit counts, right? So if I could do that, and if you get something out of it, you might want to look into it as well. Just a quick saving tip. I don't want to get too into it. I just want to talk really brief about it. First off, I'm going to move my webcam down to the desk area. Okay. And we're going to go over here. But I want to go down. There we go. Right there. I'm sorry, folks. All right. Here, I have a clean cloth. I got alcohol, a battery tester, which I picked up at Walmart. I think I paid either $3 for it. It works great. There's no problem with it. And people may say, well, how do you know if this is reading the batteries right? How do you know that you could actually make a statement that the batteries are dead or whatever? Believe me, it works. It's a very efficient little tool to have. I think every household should have it. It tests 9-volt batteries, AAA's, D's. It extends to that size. I believe you could put the D's in there as well. I think the D's are fitting, if I'm not mistaken. So it's adjustable. Okay. Now, how do I know the batteries are going weak in this radio? When you turn it on and you get like a funny sound to it, I'll show you. Oh, sorry, hold on. Okay, now I know when this battery is weak because that's the noise that'll come out. You could keep it very low, but when you turn it up high, like this, that's how you know the batteries are very weak. They're not working. And if you're in the shower, can you hear that? I can't. I'm right here. Okay, unless I'm going deaf. Hopefully not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you really quick what I'm going to do to change, to fix that. I'm going to put my glass on here just to make sure. I'm going to remove the batteries. Okay, I know it sounds crazy. I'm going to try to do this fast, folks, because I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you're busy, but I just want to share this with you. It's just a quick saving tip. A lot of people will get something like this. Now, these are all Energizer batteries. Okay, you may say, well, wait a minute. They're new and stuff like that there. Would you just replace all 4 of them? You don't need to, okay? Now, I want to just go in my desk drawer here, and I want to pick out a couple. I know I keep them in here. I should have done that before. I'm sorry about that, folks. Not prepped. I do have batteries here, some AAA's, and I know I'm quite sure these are good. Anyway, I'm kind of figuring right now it's only going to be 2 batteries that's going to be bad. So what I'm going to do is, just to show you guys, I'm going to take them out. But noticing that this here You see over here, folks? You see that little green there on this side? That's oxidation. Now it could be battery acid leakage like that, right? Now I had this for a while, this radio, but it works good, okay? And what I got alcohol here, and I got a little hard bristle brush, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spritz it in here, just on that area. Well, you could actually do all if you want, but basically we're concerned about the one that has the corrosion over here. And just take a little brush over here to clean it out, just to break it out. If you can't get into it and you need another brush, that's where a toothbrush will come in. All right, and you get an old, well, actually I bought a new one, and just for this purpose to clean it out. And if you can't get in there, this will hopefully get into some of the areas this little one can. And you just want to go back and forth in it, really clean it up really quick, like this. And the whole premise behind it is to just remove that oxidation in there. While you got it, with this here you could do it. The hard bristle one is a little hard to work with sometimes because it is a hard bristle brush. And just spritz it again. Try to get as much as you can out of it. This is alcohol, folks. Okay, so we just want to clean up the area as best you can here. And it's not going to hurt anything. You clean it out the best you can. Sometimes it's really deeply embedded in there, but it looks a little better than it was. Okay. The other side you don't really need to clean. If you just want to give it a little light brushing, whatever, that's okay. You could do that if you want. Okay, now I'm going to leave the radio over here. Here's the batteries that came out. Let's move this to the side. Let's move this to the side. We don't need these anymore. Okay. Here's the batteries. I get the 4 Energizer batteries. Now I'm going to take this here, my battery tester. It only has 2 settings on there, low and good. Okay, see it? There you go. Now you see me take the batteries out of here. Okay, it's showing good, right? So that the good batteries you're going to put on the side. We're going to place these over here. Well, you can't see it's on my mouse pad. And we're going to go through one by one. Now, here's a battery. Let me just make sure I got it set right. Here's a battery I popped in. See, I don't know, the glare is probably killing. You see the needle? It says low. You see that, guys? All right. So that one we're going to put to the right side, to the left side. Right is good, left is bad. Another one, like this. As long as it's in a good mode, you're okay. We're going to put that to the right side. One more. This one here is right in the middle. Now we could use this one still. It's still there. It's in between good and low. We could still probably use this, but if you feel uncomfortable with it, you could always change it out. But for all intents and purposes, because I am a frugal entrepreneur, I'm going to keep it. I also brought out, where is it now? I know I had it just now here. Oh, there. I also brought out another Energizer battery I have, and I brought additional one, a Rayovac. I save these batteries for testing purposes. Now, if you look here, this Rayovac is just on a good mark like that, okay? Not super good, but it's good. And I got another Energizer battery, which is on the low side, in the middle. I could use that one as well to get my good use out of it if I want, you know, which I'm going to do. I'm not going to use the Rayovac, okay? We're going to use the Energizer one. So out of the 4 batteries, this one here was the one causing the problem. One more time. Look at the meter, guys. Can you see it? It says low. You see that? Okay. I'm not getting bored with this. I'm just going to discard it. That's garbage. I'm going to put the Rayovac one back because we don't need it. We still have some juice in the other ones, even though they have. So now we tested out all 4 batteries. Okay, you tested out all 4 batteries, right? I'm going to pop them in there. I'm going to turn the radio. Remember how it sounded the first time I put it on? It made like a buzzing sound. Now watch when I put this in. Put them in the right orientation. Okay. This has a little notch on here to keep this in, you know, so you know which way to plug it in, you know, to screw it in. There's like the little nubs there. That's how you know you got it, you know, right. This has got to be watertight, okay? So you make sure it's nice and closed. Okay, you close it up nice, right there. It's nice and smooth. Now we'll try it again.
That works in 5 minutes that I can do from home.
Can I ask what it is?
It's called Power Swabs, and it whitens your teeth. Leave my teeth feeling sensitive, and it's a lot less expensive than visiting a dentist. Hi, I'm John Green.
Okay, see how it is?
Power Swabs, and if you want to whiten your teeth on average 2 shades in 5 minutes,
you see what I'm saying, folks? All you need is just get yourself, invest. Let me just put my glass off here for a second. If you're going to do this, folks, invest in one of these. It's a good investment. Believe it or not, I think I paid either between $3 and $4 or something like that. I know it's a super cheap, inefficient little tool to have or device to have around, a little meter to have in a house. And believe me, when you have a situation like this, I thought the same exact thing. And I said to myself, wait a minute. You know, we put batteries in at all different times. Like, now, I might have replaced the battery in this here. You know, maybe I put these batteries in, I don't know, maybe last year sometime. And I might have, you know, taken a weak one because I keep a whole drawer of batteries. So I don't know which ones, how strong they are, good. I mean, we can say we could test them out. I do test them out, but some may be weaker than others, or so, you know. Or maybe they have gone bad. Maybe when I did test them out, they were good. Maybe like on the verge of being, you know, in the middle of it, you know what I'm saying? Maybe the usage on it wasn't that strong or whatever. But as you can see, 2 of them were right in the middle, and 2 were on the meter. Okay? So what I'm trying to say is, don't throw out all your batteries. Don't throw them out. Get a tester. If you see corrosion around there, get yourself a little thing of alcohol, a little cleaning brush, or you buy a new toothbrush. You get them at the dollar store for $1 or whatever. Get yourself a toothbrush and just clean in the contacts there if you see it. It's a quick tip. It'll save you money. Pick up one of these here, and again, when it comes to doing testing out batteries, or if you have to replace batteries, don't throw them all away. Okay? If you like this video, guys, I would like you to please subscribe. If you got anything out of it, it was a helpful tip, please let me know in the comments. Say, hey, Rich, that was a good tip. I didn't even think about that there. And let me know what you think, if you got anything out of this video. I know it's kind of like a short, quick video. I know it's not eBay related as far as, like, you know, with selling and stuff. But if you get something out of it, please drop it in the line. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And I hope this video helped out. And this video is to help you guys save money on batteries. And that's what it's all about, saving money. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Have a great day, and thanks for stopping by. Thanks. Bye-bye now.